Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.
Hi friends, now in this video we are going to understand how to import objects into the MS Excel application. Instead of carrying all files, if you once import all the files into MS Excel, you can simply carry only one file when you are going to any office or any somewhere. Yes, but when you add any other objects, see, remember your Excel file size will be increased, right? So here first we will understand how to import a Word file. So I'm just going to insert menu. In the insert menu, at last you can see that there is an option called as objects. So click on the objects. If the objects option is not available, then you do one thing: go to file menu and then go to options, customize ribbon, then select insert first. Once the insert is selected, then from not popular, from all commands you select objects. Then once if you find objects, click on add. Before that you select insert menu, then click on add. Commands need to be added in the custom groups to create a group. So first it is asking me to create a group. In insert menu I'm creating a new group, then click on okay, let it be. Then select in the insert menu I'm creating a group called as new group. In that group I'm adding object, then click on add. It is added, then click on OK. Yes, if you want to go to in the insert menu, there is an option called as new group. In the new group we can find out here object, correct? So here in that object we are going to add what we are going to add. First, import Word file. So click on create from file, because in my desktop all the files are already available. So I'm not going to create a new file. We are going to create from a file. I'm not going to create new, right? I'm going to create an object from a file, right? So create from file. First we'll import a Word file. So click on browse and go to desktop. In the desktop we are going to import a Word file. Select Word file, then click on import. So here in this screen we need to select an icon. I would like to display as an icon, and the icon will be this icon, and here it is down to the icon it is going to display the location. So I don't want to show this location to my office colleagues. I would like to just change icon. Icon will be same, but here in the caption I'm going to change. The caption I'm going to change, and that I'm going to, this is so here we need to write the object name, what we inserted in this object. For example, in this subject I have employee name. So employee name, then click on OK. Then here you can see an icon which is displaying as by having a caption as employee name. So it is taking your time, just wait 1 minute at least. It is going to be display as an icon. So here it is showing as an MS Word icon under the caption as employee name. Next we are going to import a PowerPoint. So select the cell, go to insert, then go to object. If the object option is already available, you no need to add them. So here it is not available, so I just added. Then go to create from file. We are going to import a PowerPoint. Then click on browse, select the PowerPoint. Here the PowerPoint is there. Click on insert, display as icon as PowerPoint, change icon. In this PowerPoint application, what we are explaining, we are explaining about the stock market. So this is the stock market PowerPoint, stock market PPT. Click on OK. Okay, now it is going to display as PowerPoint application icon under the caption as stock market PPT. Next we are going to import a text document. The text document is here. This is the text document which is having ABCD 1 2 3 4. Yes, okay. It may have some important data that to be imported to Excel. So import text documents. I can go to insert, object, create from file, select. I'm going to insert the text document and display as an icon. Change icon. I'm going to change the icon Okay, anyone. So I'm going to change the caption as well. The caption I'm going to here what we some sample data. Click on OK. Here we already next we are going to insert a video, and we import video. Go to insert, click on object, create from file, browse. We are here the mp4 video is there. Insert. This is about concatenate formula. So click on import, displays an icon, change icon. You can change any of your icon, then just keep writing. This is concatenate formula video, right? So I'm going to write the same concatenate formula video, then click on OK. Here is going to display as concatenate formula. Next I'm going to insert an image. So select the cell and go to object, create from file, browse. We are going to import an image, and this is an image. Click on insert, and here the image which is having the name I'm going to change as my image. Okay, here the image also inserted. Next we are going to insert a PDF. Go to object, create from file, browse. We are going to insert a PDF. Insert. Whether you like to change or not, that is your choice. Import. If you don't want to change it, that is your choice. Then click on OK. And here how we imported. And if you see, I'm going to save this file. Save. Okay, I'm going to save in downloads. In the download, I'm going to change in the name of book 2. Save. Yes, everything is saved, and we just see the file of this book 2. We just see. I'll just go to downloads. Here you can see it is having 8.48 MB. I'm just going to open the same, and here if you want to view them, simply double click on the objects. If you want to open the objects, simply double click on the objects. So now it was open in MS Word. Just again close, and again I'm going to open the PDF. Double click on the PDF in order to open this object. So this is I think the PPT. So this is the PPT. Yes, this is not PDF, this is PPT. So here which was opened there. Stock market, this is what exactly it is. Next we are going to open a text document. Simply double click on this text document to open that file. So instead of carrying multiple files, if we import all the files into MS Excel, simply we can carry only one file, right? So again, next we are going to open a video. Just simply double click on the video object in order to open it. So now the video is going to be played. Hi friends, in this video today we are going to discuss about how to join multiple cells into one. This is how the video is simple. Text strings into one equals to text 3 comma text 4, then close bracket, and now here this is that United States. Close it. Next we have the image. Double click on the image in order to open the image. And this is my image which I already created there somewhere. And again, next we have the last one as a PDF. Simply double click on the PDF in order to open the PDF application, the PDF object. It is taking a longer time to view the PDF, and this is the basics of stock market, the PDF file which is having here. That's it. So this is how simple we import. Not only in this way, we also can use the new version. Illustration is there. Here also you can import pictures, online picture, shape, icon. You also can import the same. So this is how we work with MS Excel. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.